Hello. I saw today that Georgia Jim was doing a giveaway on his channel for, if you could pick a lock using any tool. And I've recently, during this COVID lockdown, basically decided I would try and take up some lock picking. So I'm going to, it's not very impressive, but I'm going to try and pick this old master lock number 3. We'll see if I can manage to do this on video. I know everybody says that these are really easy locks to pick. Like I said, I just started this, and this is an old lock. I don't know if that makes it harder, but I've certainly been struggling. I can rake it open real fast, but where's the fun in raking? I think that was pin 4. So 1's loose. 2 and 3 might be bound. That might have been 3. And got it open. So that actually was pretty easy that time. I think I'm getting the hang of this one. Anyways, just wanted to make that entry. Definitely go check out Georgia Jim's channel. I'm going to link to his channel and in the description. And I'm going to keep practicing, and hopefully I'll get better at this and get some more locks to try out, and keep trying. All right. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.